What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a product I've had sitting on my shelf for a few months now and I'm just now getting to it. This is the Proxelle Solo. Luckily they're still available on Amazon and they have a 4-star rating with only 2 ratings, so that doesn't really say a whole lot, but they're only $11. Oh nice, little carbon fiber looking case, not bad. Okay, we got some stuff. Not happy with it. Happy, thank you. I don't know, some stuff, and then we got an instruction manual in multiple different languages. Now the case, it's a hard case. Okay, so it looks like we got some ear cups, cable, and the earbuds. All right, first off, we've got 2 extra sets of ear cups, 2 extra sets of ear wings, and we have a very short 6-inch USB to micro USB cable for charging. Now the earbuds, they are IPX5 rated, so they should be completely sweat proof. They are running off of Bluetooth 4.2. Oh, they are magnetic. There you go. Nice. It's got the ergonomic curve, which that's always a plus. The outer shell, I believe that's probably aluminum alloy. Yeah, it sounds like metal. Now these have a 85 milliamp hour lithium battery, supposed to give you about 6 hours of playtime. Now the inline control, it's kind of big for an inline control for earbuds this size, but either way, you've got play, probably pause, hang up and answer. You got volume up, volume down, and most likely that's gonna be next and previous track as well. And on the side of that, you've got your micro USB port for charging. Oh yeah, ooh, oh, okay. Oh, those are really comfortable. They do create a nice little seal. So that's good. Shake test. Yeah, all right, let's pair them up. Pairing. Wow, that was fast. Proxelle Solo, there we go. Already done, nice. Okay, cool. So we got anything new on trending? The Weeknd's got a new song. Wow. They're loud. They get nice and loud. They sound really clean. See if it can handle some bass boosted. Yeah, it definitely has that low rumble in there. I like that. So far, so good. All right, you know what? Let's try a little acoustic. Wow. Man, that does sound really good. For $11 though. Word? Let's try a little good myth. Oh man, yeah, the vocals are really good, really clean. It would be really good for like podcasts and stuff. Yeah, that sounds really good. Let's do a little latency test real quick. Yeah, it's pretty spot on. Back pocket test. Yeah, no skipping. All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. I'll be right back. All right. Pause. Pause works. Okay, it's a really solid connection actually. I got about 50 feet and then it finally kind of did a little skip. You know what? I'm gonna call somebody new. Call my dad. Dad. Hey, can you hear me okay? Oh, okay. No, I was calling you because you know, I'm shooting a video. I'm testing out these headphones and I thought, you know what? I never had my dad on here before. Welcome to the show. So I just need to know, I don't know, like a scale of 1 to 10, how good do I sound? Like a 6? Is it muffled or do I sound echoey or something? Oh, okay, okay. So it sounds kind of like I'm on a speakerphone. Okay, cool. All right, well that's all I needed. Yeah, get out of here. Okay, cool. I gotta say, actually for $11, I'm really surprised and I've been sitting on these for months. The sound quality is actually really good. The volume level gets to a nice, comfortable level even though the highs are a little bit too high. If you got a digital equalizer on your phone, I would probably use it and tone down just the treble a hair, just a little bit, not too much. The bass is pretty good. I would assume if you can get some more power to it, you could probably get some more bass out of it. Yeah, $11, I think that is a complete steal for something like this. These are probably the best $10 sports earbuds that I've looked at. I don't remember the last time I looked at $10 earbuds that were actually this good. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Shake test. Oh no, that was the right ear this time. What's happened? What? Why is the right one coming out? We've got something weird happening. I think something's wrong with my right ear hole this time. Let's try it again. No, my right ear hole seems to be extra gaped today, I guess. I don't, sounds gross. Yeah, I wonder if putting the larger ear cup on this one will be better. Let me see. Yeah, That worked actually. Yeah, today my my right ear hole is just a little extra stretched out, I guess. I'm really impressed. Here, come here, Fred. I don't have a name for him yet, guys. You wanna help me name him? I was gonna say Fred, but I think it's just too generic. Maybe Felipe. I don't know if he's a Felipe. Let me stick those in there for you, buddy. Let's demonstrate these for us. There you go. What song has good bass? Oh, you know what? Selena Gomez, Same Old Love. That actually has pretty good, that actually does have pretty good bass. I'm so sick of that same old love. I'm so sick of that same old love. Beep, 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 beep.